We just drove over 200 miles from Midlands to enter the world's largest indoor rainforest. Welcome to Eden Project. Getting to Cornwall wasn't exactly smooth sailing, but we made it. Welcome to day one of our ultimate Southwest family road trip. We are planning 5 days across two beautiful counties and a journey to the absolute edge of the UK. We are vlogging the whole thing, and trust me, you won't miss a single day. Alright guys, welcome to our next vlog on Next Stop Guru. Birmingham in the ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು we've reached Cornwall, very famous Eden project after a good 5-hour drive. Shrida, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate the journey?
12.
12! You loved it. Perfect. The Eden project is built inside a massive reclaimed clay pit. From up here, those biomes look like giant soap bubbles landed in a valley. But the real magic, it happens when you step inside. If you can't tell already, the scale of this project is huge. So this side, what you see is the Rainforest Biome, and that side, you can't see it, but that's the Mediterranean Biome. This is the Rainforest Biome. It houses over 1,000 species of tropical plants, complete with a rushing waterfall and a soaring canopy walkway. Walking through here, you completely forget you're actually in southwest England. Outside, it's Cornwall, but inside, it's like the Western Ghats of India or the Amazon rainforests of South America. The moment you enter, the temperature jumps to tropical levels, humidity hits you, and you are surrounded by giant tropical plants from South America, Southeast Asia, West Africa, and all the other tropical islands around the world. Imagine this. 25 years ago, this was just a giant industrial pit. What was once a scar on the landscape has now been transformed into one of the world's most famous environmental attractions. The biome is so tall that you could stack about 11 double-decker buses on top of each other and still fit inside. It's about 55 meters high, 100 meters wide, 200 meters long, and over 1,000 varieties of plants are there inside. Everything from your morning coffee to your chocolate bar starts from somewhere like this. The rainforest isn't just a forest. It's a giant natural air conditioner and weather machine for our planet. The Eden Project highlights that an area of rainforest roughly the size of the biome is destroyed every 11 seconds. Standing here, it's hard to imagine, but while we are admiring this rainforest, somewhere in the world, another piece of one is disappearing. When we planned our Cornwall road trip, finding beaches was expected. Finding the world's largest indoor rainforest wasn't. And if this is how our journey starts, I can't wait to see what's next. ಹೌದು ಪುಟ್ಟಿ, ಏಕಂದ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿದೆ. What a beautiful place. I am transported to Southeast Asia for sure, and in fact it feels like India. Rainforest Biome ಮುಗಿಸಿ Mediterranean Biome ಬಂದ್ವಿ. Rainforest Biome felt like I was transported to India and rest of the rainforest in the world, Southeast Asia. It's very humid in the rainforest biome. It felt like we were sweating after quite some time. In the UK, you don't really sweat. And the feel of being in the rainforest biome was absolutely magical. And now we've entered the Mediterranean biome. The subtle difference between these two biomes is that this biome is very, very dry, so the heat here is dry and it feels far more comfortable. But these biomes are exceptional. If the rainforest biome is about adventure and surprise, the Mediterranean biome is about beauty, history, and how civilizations were built around plants. Many people think Mediterranean means just Italy or Greece. But the Eden Project showcases plants from the world's Mediterranean climatic regions. These places make up only about 2% of Earth's land area, yet contain around 20% of the world's plant species. It's amazing how places on completely different continents can have almost identical climates and grow similar plants. Some plants don't just feed people, they shape entire civilizations. The olive tree and grapevine helped build cultures that have lasted for thousands of years. Imagine a tree that was alive when the Roman Empire existed. Olive trees are some of the oldest cultivated trees on earth. The rainforest hits you with heat and humidity. The Mediterranean biome greets you with the smell of citrus, herbs, flowers, and warm earth. Are they poppies?
Yeah, they're poppy flowers.
Nice.
They're orange and they have a big spot.
Very good.
I've seen them at school
Have you seen them at school?
and at poppy field.
At poppy fields? Nice. The rainforest biome showed us how nature sustains life. The Mediterranean biome shows us how plants shaped human civilization. And both are sitting side by side in the middle of Cornwall. Welcome to the core. We are here in Eden Projects Education, Art and Science Center. This was designed to explain the concept of Eden, how all living organisms are all interconnected. I don't know what this is called, but this is very beautiful. Shrida loved playing in front of it. Have a look. Today we traveled the rainforest to the Mediterranean, crossed continents without leaving Cornwall, and discovered that everything starts with a seed. If this is how our Southwest England adventure begins, I can't wait to see where the road takes us next. Finally, after a long day one, caravan ಬಂದು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It was really tiring. More than 250-60 miles travel ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, drive ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, and finally we've reached the caravan. UK ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆನೇ ಟೈರಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ರೀಚಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30 degrees, it feels like it is around 45 degrees because it's an island, so obviously ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಶೆಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But we finally have reached the caravan. We are winding down. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ we'll quickly crash and ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು we will go on to our next set of destinations. So if you've enjoyed this day one of our Southwest Coast series to Devon and Cornwall in the UK, please give this video a like ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. ಶ್ರೀದಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ see you on day 2 vlog. Bye.